Hi, my name's Sally Lovett and I'm from Stretch in the City. I'm here today to share some mindfulness practices with you. So mindfulness meditation is a way to be aware and awake in the present moment. So in the constant whirl of our thoughts and the mind chatter going on in our brain, mindfulness is a way that can help us be really present in the here and now. The first mindfulness practice I'm going to share with you is called a mindfulness of breathing technique. This is a really simple yet powerful practice that helps bring our awareness to the present moment. Now, our breath is an anchor that is always there. So however busy or stressed or chaotic you may feel, we've always got the breath that we can come back to. So to do this meditation, you can simply sit or lie somewhere comfortable. You can close your eyes, or if that doesn't feel appropriate or you don't want to, simply lower your gaze down towards the floor. Firstly, just bring your awareness into your body. So be aware of your feet on the floor, maybe your back against a chair that you're sitting on. And then start to bring your awareness to your in-breath. So just slowly noticing as you breathe in. Noticing how your body fills up with breath as you breathe in. And then bringing your awareness to your exhale, your out-breath. So as you breathe out, noticing how your body maybe softens as your body releases the breath. And that's all we're doing. We're simply bringing our awareness to our breath. So noticing as we breathe in and noticing as we breathe out. Now, as we do this, it's inevitable that your mind is going to wander off and you'll start thinking about other things. When that does happen, don't get cross or annoyed at yourself. It's all part of the practice. So when that happens, simply bring your awareness back to the breath. Breathing in and breathing out. So doing that for as long as you wish to, we can still get the powerful effects just for a minute or so. And then when you're ready to return and leave your meditation, simply again bring your awareness back to your body. Maybe just be aware of the things around you, any sounds around you. If your eyes are closed, then just gently opening your eyes. You might feel like you want to do a yawn or a stretch, and then just leaving your meditation and coming back to your day. Now, if you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed or anxious, a surefire fix to help yourself calm down is to take a nice long big sigh. And it's something that we do naturally. When you come home, you might kick off your shoes, sit on the sofa, and just let out a nice big exhale. It's like your body's way of telling yourself that now's the time to relax. Now, we can sort of trick our body into relaxing by doing exactly that, by sighing, and in other words, by focusing on a nice long exhale. Now, if you think about how you'll breathe when perhaps you're feeling a bit stressed, it's quite a short, sharp breath just up here in the chest. But if we think about the way we breathe when we're relaxed, it's a nice, long, relaxing breath. So let's try that to try and help ourselves feel more relaxed. We simply breathe in for 4 counts, and then we breathe out for 6 counts, so making your out breath longer than your in breath. We'll try that a few more times. So you can inhale for 4 or so counts. And then as you breathe out, maybe trying to make your out breath even longer. Perhaps you can go to 8 counts. So breathing in again. And as you breathe out, just feel your shoulders drop. Just feel all the muscles around your face soften and relax. And this is a great practice you can do. Nobody needs to know you're doing it. So you could do it at your desk whilst you're at work. You could do it if you're feeling anxious or nervous about something. And just remembering you've always got this tool available to you. Just a nice big sigh. Now I'm going to share with you a meditation practice called the mountain meditation. Now, if you think about a mountain in your mind's eye, they stand there tall and sturdy and unwavering. And through this meditation, we're trying to emulate and take on those qualities ourselves. So it's a way that we can feel tall and sturdy and confident and essentially feel grounded. So a great practice to do if we're feeling quite overwhelmed and anxious. Now, to do this practice, ideally you want both feet flat on the floor. You can do this sitting or standing and with your eyes closed or open, whichever you prefer. Now, starting off by bringing your awareness to the soles of your feet on the floor. And as you breathe in, imagine you're breathing in through the soles of your feet. Feel that breath traveling all the way up to the crown of the head. And then as you breathe out, take that breath all the way back down the body, as if you're breathing out through the soles of the feet into the floor below. So we'll do that again. We're inhaling through the soles of the feet. Imagine you're filling up your body with breath, and then we're exhaling down the body, out through the soles of the feet, into the floor below. So doing that for a few more times, really feeling that awareness of your feet touching the floor, really feeling that stability of feeling connected and grounded to the floor beneath you. So to do this practice, you don't need to close your eyes, you don't need to be standing in a yoga class. It's a really simple practice to do, and nobody needs to know you're doing it. So just remember, you can keep your feet grounded on the floor, breathing in and out through the soles of the feet. And it's a great thing to do if you're feeling anxious, perhaps before an exam or a big meeting. And it's a great way just to ground you to the present moment and just feel a little bit calmer as a result. I hope you found these mindfulness practices useful. I find they're a really powerful, simple way to bring some calm and clarity into my day. And just remember that we've all got the ability to tune into our breath, to be more present and mindful of the present moment, to help us feel a little bit calmer throughout our day.